Today in my morning and evening analysis, both times I had asked you to go buy gold only above 1670-71 levels, and yes, you can sell at 1663 and you can expect 1657, 1654 levels, precisely achieving 1655. It is reversed. Likewise, silver has traded bearish too. Now what can be expected today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. And yes, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't miss to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Now these are the hourly charts, trading very much in the consolidation zone. You can find out lower highs consistently, lower lows there. It is trying to trade in this, and yes, it has covered the complete journey from where this bullish breakout has happened. Now, yes, you can take a sell position at around 1660 levels, but then remember, beyond 1660, still 1655 levels should come to the rescue, and only below 1665 we can expect little more bearishness. Till the time it trades above 1660, I will not recommend you to take a position in gold. At the same time, you can see this. Yes, there is a resistance at around 1668, and hence above 1668 you can expect 1671, and only if it trades above 1671 you can expect it to rise more. Now look at the directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is trading near to the overbought levels, and hence a little bit of consolidation cannot be denied. MACD trading bullish here, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. That is one part which is slight bearish indication. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, consistently higher lows, and yes, higher highs are there, but it is narrowing. See the highs, the slope of these two lines is different. It means on the downside there is a stronger support. At the same time, it is not willing to go past on the upside. So yes, wait for a breakout. That is the best strategy. Wait for a breakout. Any move beyond 1668 and then 1671. If these two levels are taken, certainly it is going to fly high. We can expect 1675. So on the 2-hour chart, it is trying to show you a squeeze, and let's see if it breaks out. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at high and trying to converge. MACD is trying to converge. It is right now on the sell side. Let's see if it crosses. RSI is mildly trading with a negative, you can say, slope, but it can try to reverse any point of time. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, and that is why I say yes, if it breaches below 1660, that should be a good level for you to go short. But remember 1657, 1654, and then below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. And yes, on the upside, if it breaks past 1668, you can buy there 1671, 75, and then beyond levels can also be expected. Right now again it is trying to show you a squeeze. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is trading bearish here. Let's see if it converges, crosses over. Right now it is trying to show you little divergence. RSI is looking downwards, and likewise if you see the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Again higher lows and higher highs, and hence possibly 1671 cannot be denied, and in fact beyond those levels can also be expected. See, it is trying to create a symmetry, and it has seen a drop. Now looking forward to a rise. Possibly 1670-75 zone can be expected there. Till the time it trades above 1660, one can expect a rise. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trading in sell and trying to converge here. RSI is looking downwards. Only MACD is something which is right now trading bearish here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, so far lower highs, higher lows, failing to go past on the downside, failing to sustain on the upside. It is trading very much within the zone. The highs of these channel is somewhere at around 1668, and then yes, if it breaks past 1671, 75 cannot be denied on the downside. 1660 should be a very good support for the day. Be careful there at 1660 levels, breaking below which certainly more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at high. The MACD divergent and bullish on the daily charts indicates that it can continue with the bullish momentum. Let it give a breakout above 1670 levels, certainly more bullishness will be seen. RSI trading flat. So for the day, sell at 1660, buy at 1668. In between these $8, do not trade. On the upside, 71, 75 are the targets, and then beyond that it can fly for 80, 85 levels. On the downside, below 1660, 1657, 54 levels are very good support, and if it breaks this, it can show you further bearish. So take your trades accordingly and trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. It can again show you a good swing. Hence, stop loss is your friend. Trade with the stop loss. Now, if you want to learn the strategy of trading profitably, identifying the trades at the right time and taking the right entries, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16 batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. The next batch is only going to be 1 month later, and yes, you will be missing on the 1 month's profit. And hence, join the 16th mentorship batch. Seats are filling fast, only few seats left. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, silver again on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen. At the same time, you can find out it is getting resistance there at 1960, 1965, 70 levels. So yes, this is the level. Above 1970, you can buy there and expect it to rise. At the same time, you can find out, I will not recommend you to sell anything in silver till the time it trades above 19.45 levels. Only below 1945, you can expect it to drop more. So for this 25 cents, stay away from silver. Possibly it can consolidate a little before it tries to give you a breakout. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is trading in green but trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards, and likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you will find out higher lows are seen same, but at the same time lower highs. So here also it is trying to give a squeeze, because see, consolidating here in this narrowing triangle, it means that it is trying to give you a squeeze. And yes, once it gives a breakout, that should be a very strong breakout. Let it pass by anywhere in between 1970. If it breaks past 1970, you can certainly expect that we may see further more bullishness. So wait for 1970 to crack, and then on the downside 1945 is a good level for you to go short. So in between 1945 1970, do not trade again. Below that also 1940 and 1930 are the two support levels, and only below 1920 you can expect more bearishness. Directional movement bullish, stochastic at high, MACD trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI trading near to the lows there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, series of green candles with higher lows. At the same time, series of candles with the same or lower highs, you can say, indicates a squeeze. Possibly beyond this, certainly more bullishness can be seen. Wait for it to break past. Similar observation. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is at high. The MACD is trying to converge here, and I'll wait for a crossover for a bullish confirmation. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, candle size diminishing, higher lows, higher highs, and yes, possibly 1970 again a very good resistance. Beyond that only certainly more bullishness can be seen. So 1970, 1975, 1980, till 1980 there is a possibility that it may get raised, and then beyond that 1990 and 2000 level should come into picture, and below 1945 you can expect 1940 as a very good resistance. 1930 and 1920, these two levels, if it breaks below 1920, it will be called a bearish, and then you can expect a breakdown on the downside. Directional movement bullish, stochastic upwards, MACD trading with little divergence on the sell side, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, similarly to what we had seen on the gold chart, lower highs, higher lows for it. On the downside, there is still little much scope left to drop till towards 1940, 1930 levels, and hence yes, it can consolidate here. Any breakout beyond 1970 should be considered a good bullish move. So yes, you can sell there at 1945, expect 1940, 1935, 1930, and yes, only below 1930. In fact, till 1920 it has got very good support. Only below 1920 you can expect a strong bearish move, else it can reverse any point of time. And when I say, see, markets cannot trade in or don't trade in single direction, specifically when we have seen such formation there where it has shown a good swing, again you can expect the swings out there. Hence till 1920 do not consider this as bearish, and till 1980 levels do not consider this as bullish. In fact, beyond 1980 you can expect 1990 and 2000 as the targets. So buy at 19.7 and sell at 19.45. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.